Alright everyone, what's happening? It's Jesse Ladner here, and on this video we're going to be replacing the filter out our refrigerator. So, the filter number that we use is 439-68710. So yeah, let's go ahead and replace it. First, the things you're going to need a plastic cup, because once you put the new filter in, you're going to get a bunch of air, a bunch of minerals, and you know. So let's eject the filter here. Check this. As you can see, it's dirty. Yep, one of the contacts is dirty and one of them is not. Okay, and here is the new one. For whatever reason, this one had some dirt on it or something, as you can see here. It had some threads, some loose threads or whatever. Anyways, let's put it in and see what happens. Now, like I said, you're going to need to get the plastic cup ready because it's going to have a bunch of air. But let's just see what happens. As you can hear, you can hear a bunch of air already. Let's get the cup here and see what happens. Notice how it doesn't stop flowing right away, but you can hear all that air. Something you got to keep an eye on. And you want to keep filling it up and drain it as much as possible. Don't mind all those dishes. I know they're not clean, but oh well. Listen to all that air. Oh, speaking of air. Uh-oh. Some of it leaked out, but that's okay. Now, usually when I change this filter out of this fridge, for whatever reason, there's some black water that comes in it. But let's see. Yeah, you can see there. It's already non-clear water. Yep. It's even got some minerals in it too, I think. But you want to keep going until it's not any more air, or until most of the air is gone. Just gotta take your time with it, is all. There, it's kind of clearing out now, I think. They say to change the filters every 6 months. And I had to go ahead and order some new filters because one of the contacts on that old one was not clear, or cleaned rather. Okay, looks like most of the air has worked its way out already. There are still some air hit and miss spots. There's still a little bit of air here and there. So yeah, pretty much take your time with this. Get most of the air out as possible. And then once you're done with this, you can just throw the plastic cup away. So it's pretty much worked its way out. I'm going to go a few more times and then we'll call it good. Oh. Like I said, there will be some spots here and there. There will be some air still, a little bit of air here and there until it gets used more. Yeah, you see how it stopped when it stops, gets to where it stops right away, and then that means you're good. I think we'll run it one more time and then we'll call that good. Alright, that looks really good actually. You know what? I'm not even going to bother throwing a cup away yet because we do have the refrigerator at my childhood house takes the same exact filter number, the filter part. So basically, I'll just leave this cup out in case if I go over there later on to replace the filter over there, which I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.